Hello, trading is closed on August 15th, 2017. Yesterday we said unless we gapped up and promptly took out Monday's high that lower prices should print. Well, we did just that. We gapped up, took out the high. So no call, and we closed essentially unchanged. MEJT had a few calls. Early on it said ultimately higher prices would print. Said not to be fooled by these false moves lower. The color-coded minimum targets right here, we usually get more than the minimum, which we did. Here it said ultimately lower prices would print. They did. We usually get more than that, but don't have to. This rally was marked as false. MEJT gives us a target of 2464.11. Most likely to print tomorrow, and that's my call. Well, that isn't even one handle under where we closed. And so we have to have more of a call than that. Let's look at the long-term picture first. That remains unchanged. While the market's been dilly-dallying around, the breadth continues to decline. We continue to view this area as that of a major high. I can make a case for going up tomorrow. By the way, tomorrow's pattern should have an early high, but that doesn't preclude gapping down first. I can make a case for us going up tomorrow. We still have this price target here I want to see overtaken at some time. And we do have a wall into the close, often that gaps up. But let's look at this. We had a strong rally. 2 days straight gapped up, couldn't take out these highs, couldn't even take out this high. It's a lot of work without accomplishing anything. Let's look at the case for dropping instead. Well, here was my old count, ABC, nice Fibonacci ratios. But let's look at the alternate count. What if this is A, and here we have A, B, and 5 legs up, complete C. It's a perfect count with wave 5, a Fibonacci percentage of wave 1, and more importantly, this alternate wave C. This is A, and set that at 38.2. I mean, that's a perfect hit. So we have a good Fibonacci argument for this top being the real thing and continuing it down tomorrow, right from the open. Now, if we go up, I still look for resistance over here. But if we drop from the open, here's a stilt, here's a diamond. This is a perfect setup for a stilt-like move down to the origin of the left stilt. Now, the pattern doesn't have to go to completion. But if we start sinking in the overnight session, which hasn't happened yet, there's your target, right over there. So, we have a slightly lower target for tomorrow, but there's a very good argument that this is the end. Don't forget my timing system has the 16th as one of the days. This is close enough for me. And we have a good Fibonacci argument for a drop right from the open, and possibly a stilt-like drop. That's the only call, but those are the possibilities, and we'll see if that works. It's today's call.